Hey everyone, welcome here. Getting started and introduction to Python coding classes. Here I have prepared very clear and simple lectures for this course. So introduction we'll see. Let's begin. Welcome here using this online tutorial to speed up and slow down your videos for complete course program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system or any other device which you are able to accessing internet and seeing the videos. By doing with this device you can access this course and you can complete. Make sure to use FAQs for practical exercises. And how to get help. Check with your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help Google or Stack Overflow for search engine techniques. Submit your questions for Ask a QA forum for detailed what you have tried with the screenshot or error code practiced by you. And also how to approach the course. Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with the notebook extra information for practicing with the real world examples. You will get very clear understanding. Review the certain information by reading examples of parts of video sessions. Wherever you require to pause the video and take the code and practice yourself and repeat the video again and again till you learn the session. And assessments and solutions. You will be assigned a simple assessment on most sections of the course journey to be test your skill level, which is based on your previous lectures. And anyhow, you will be guided the solution for these assessments on immediate lectures. I hope you inside the course. Thank you.